Hai, Assalamualaikum. We are from Unique and Mindset Student Food Engineering Technology course in semester 4. Today, our group will present to you about our mini project in subject Reactor Technology. The subject code is CKT20003. We are from S01P2 section and our lecturer name is Madam Nawal Akmal binti Nur Hadi. The title we choose in this project are Spinning this Reactor Advanced in Making of Ice Cream. Next slide is I will introduce my group members. First is Nur Aisha binti Adlan Izwan. Her ID number is 5510412270. Next is Nur Aida binti Wibjusman. Her ID number is 551041200068. While Afiq Daniel bin Normanan is also my group members. 551041200024 is his ID number. While me, Karimani Sanadua binti Muhammad Saupian, 551041200002 is my ID number. Next is about the contents in this video. We would like to share to all of you about the spinning this reactor. The content in this video have 5 things to focus on it. First is process description of spinning this reactor, description of advanced spinning this reactor, schematic diagram of spinning this reactor, component in advance and the function of spinning this reactor, advantage and disadvantages of spinning this reactor. I will move to my part today. I would like to share to all of you about the process description PNID of spinning this reactor. This is a diagram of process description of spinning this reactor in PNID process. I will explain or show you more about it on how the process going on in a video after this slide. Then I will pass the next slide to Afiq Daniel for his presentation. Please enjoy.
Chemical reactor is at the heart of a chemical plant. Reactions are typically performed in large vessels. The spinning disc reactor outperforms conventional reactor equipment, adding unique process controllability. This reactor consists of a stationary casing connected to a motor. The motor drives 3 discs, which rotate at high velocities inside the narrow casing. 2 reactants are fed into the device from the top side and then flow around the rotating discs. The large shear forces provide very efficient mixing of the reactants. This results in high mass transfer rates, allowing reactions to take place in seconds. During the reaction, large amounts of heat are released. Cooling channels are integrated inside the casing to effectively remove this reaction heat. The combination of high mass transfer rates and the temperature control allows reactions to proceed under process-intensified conditions, making the spinning disc reactor unique in terms of efficient, safe and flexible production.
My name is Afiq Daniel bin Normanan and I will be presenting the advanced reactor description for spinning disc reactor. So what is a spinning disc reactor? A spinning disc reactor, or known as SDR, is a product of process intensification that was designed to improve the processes through increasing the efficiency and keeping losses such as product quality to a minimum. It can be improved by improving safety features, reducing energy consumption, reducing waste produced, and reducing operational costs. Next is the SDR has the best mass and heat transfer properties of any common chemical reactor design while being versatile and cost-effective. Its design makes it safer than most SDRs, in addition to ease of use allowing for both small and large-scale applications. The increase in demand of high-quality foods alongside awareness of healthy food has pushed the food industry to improve themselves, such as the consumer movement towards vegan products. SDR helps increase food safety, reduce processing time. At the same time, SDR has been used to uniformly mix plant-based components such as hemp, flax, and moringa. Some of its applications in the food industry are such as making mayonnaise, synthetic cream through heat treatment. SDRs are also involved in the making of ice cream bases and many other processes. As a whole, the SDR is very versatile and efficient and can and should be applied in various industries. Thus conclude the description of the SDR. Thank you for your time. I will be passing to the next presenter.
Hi, so we meet again. My name is Caroline Sanadira binti Mat Sofian. So I will show to you on how the diagram of advanced reactor we choose. This diagram shows us the schematic diagram of advanced reactor, where we can see where is the liquid feed, transparent, spinning disk, cool water to enter, radiant, heaters, and the final product that happen, which is involved in the spinning this reactor. There are so many processes that involves in the reactor. So that next I will pass to Aida to explain about how the components and its function. Thank you.
Thank you, Nisa. My name is Nur Aida binti Rujusman. I will explain about the function component in spinning this reactor. There were 3 components in spinning this reactor, which is rotating shaft, rotating disc, and spinning mixer. Next, the function of rotating shaft is defined as a rotating machine element, usually circular in cross-section, which is used to transmit power from one part to another, or from a machine that produces power to a machine that absorbs power. Shafts are to be distinguished from axle, which also support rotating members but do not transmit power. Rotating shaft with a fixture for holding a tool or a workpiece. For rotating disc, a rotating disc drags solution along the disc surface, creating laminar flow that is replenished with a fresh solution flowing parallel to the disc surface. The surface area of the disc is well known, and the equation describing the hydrodynamic condition can be solved exactly, as is the case for the rotating disc electrode commonly used for the electrochemical measurement. To measure solvent extraction kinetic, the disc is usually a thin hydrophobic or hydrophilic membrane impregnated with one of the pass-through gels are also sometimes used. And lastly, for spinning cone, a rotating disc reactor is a device that has small footwear with large mixed potential and chemical reaction. The main benefit of using small size, complex mixture-rich reaction and sonochemistry that can be done in a pressure device. Thank you. I will pass to Aisha.
Okay, thank you, Aida. My name is Nurul Aisha binti Adla Ijwan. For this slide, we are going to talk about advantages of spinning this reactor. So, for the advantages are, it is fed with one or more liquids in its center and can be heated or chilled. And then, ability to mix ingredients, heat transfer and mass transfer efficiently. Next, able to conduct a pasteurization, fine crystal formation and easy to clean the machine. Furthermore, high quality production that imparts smoothness, stickiness, meltability and coolness to ice cream. And last but not least, ability to achieve high supersaturation levels in thin films through fast micromixing. For the next slide is disadvantages of spinning this reactor. The disadvantages are: the product outcome is determined by relevant operational, velocity and speed of disc. And then, higher tendency to get clumped to the formation of the product. And lastly, there are limits to radio frequency performance. So that's all from our group. Thank you and bye-bye.